Good morning. Welcome home to Mailer's Landing. I'm Sue. This is Bill, and we are here in Growing Zone 6B in New England. And today we're going to take a quick trip because we're going to go down to the East Quabbin Land Trust, where I've got a few hay bales through the community gardening program, and we're going to go check on that. Come on along. I love that you can't see the garden from the road, but it is there. It is right down there. There's the bee boxes. I'm not going anywhere near them because I am so allergic. There's a really nice man named Stefan who takes care of the bees. Is it a bobolink? That's not a bobolink. If it were a bobolink, you would see yellow on the back of its head. This is probably a mating male lark bunting. These are the big catchment barrels that we do all of our water from. They're set up to gravity feed, and they go down to the two hoses that are in the garden. And everybody's planted something different. It's pretty cool. See corn over there. I see cabbages here. A lot of flowers, some salvia. Tomatoes. My neighbor here has these beautiful peas in with his tomatoes. And that's ours over in the corner there. So back in the wintertime, a whole bunch of us signed up to get 4 hay bales and some instructions, some fertilizer. There were 3 weeks of conditioning these bales with fertilizer. There was a whole schedule of when to put how much in, and we did. and then a few weeks later, we got to plant in it. So this is what we did with ours. We've got some cabbages here. I have no idea what's going on with them. There's definitely been some looper damage. A little bit of a heading here on our cabbages. We'll see how they do. This is beans. Yes, hello friend. So we've got some random acts of beans going on here. And I planted beets right up in the front. There was one, look at this. This may already be ready. She's shouldering out. Oh buddy. First, look at that. Beautiful beet. This is a Cylindra beet. They're all just doing so well. They're all thriving in there. I'm gonna wait a couple of weeks before I pull those. But these are probably the most luscious beet greens I've ever seen. I did put starts in here. I didn't do these from seed. But you can see beets are a compound seed, so you'll always get more than one beet when you plant them out. I love the way they're just all starting to come up already. And then I've planted some nasturtiums in here. This is sprouting broccoli, which has clearly bolted. I'm going to pull that out, and I'm not sure what I'm going to put in yet. But there's lots of seed pods on there. So maybe I'll pull some of those and try them again when it gets cooler out. Got some more of these lovely nasturtiums sprouting. And I tucked in a couple of sweet potato vines down here in the corners. We'll have to see how this goes, but so far I'm thrilled. I can't believe I already have a beet. One of the things I love about this hay bale is there's lots of room for stuff to be going on in it. So I put those sweet potatoes in with high hopes, and if they work out, I'll tell you what, I'm going to put hay bales in our garden at home next year if they work out. This is going to be our sweet potato experiment year, so this is a nice proof of concept. And I come down here about once or twice a week, depending on how hot it is and how much rain they're going to need. These hold a deceptively large amount of water, so that's been pretty great. Been coming up here every couple of days to just make sure we are soaked down and we are good. So that's our little adorable community garden patch at the East Quabbin Land Trust. I'll link down in the description how you can join up with them and get your own hay bales next year. For now, we're going to head home. We have a coop and a shed being delivered today and a goat shelter to start building. So we're going to go get on that. Thanks for hanging out with us and coming down to the Land Trust with us and witnessing our first beet. We'll catch you up soon. Take care.
Bye-bye.